Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Lesleyanne here and welcome to another Vlogmas video. I've just had a fairly, well, a reasonable size but fairly small, I suppose, shop delivered by, well, it's a Morrison shop delivered by Amazon Prime. You can see on the bags there. So you just go onto Amazon and then you can shop via the Morrison's supermarket, and then you can just have the same day delivery. So I booked this a couple of hours or so ago, and it's now literally 25 to 6. My delivery was between 5 and 6. And yeah, so I've just got it. So I thought I'll show you what I've got. Right, okay, let me start here then. So I just got one of these Savers Jumbo kitchen towels. Got a box of 22 packets of crisps. These are the meaty ones. So you've got 6 smoky bacon, 6 roast chicken, 5 prawn cocktail and 5 cheese and onion. I chose these for Chris because he really doesn't like crisps very much, but he does like sort of this type of thing. Got some dog treats, just 1 pack of dog treats. Some tomato puree. I've got some cream. Now I bought one of these, so this is, sorry about that noise, I guess somebody's just scored in the football. They're in the other room watching it. Yeah, so one of these is to make dough for my potatoes. And I don't remember what I ordered this one for. I really don't. But it'll get used anyway. No, I don't remember. That's awful, isn't it? Unless I click 2 by mistake. And then this one is, we're going to have like mince pie for dessert or something, and I thought we'd try this rather than sort of order it for Christmas and then not like it. I thought we'd try it now. Some gravy, so beef gravy, 2 cans of mushy peas, then I've got 2 packs of crumpets. At the back there I've got some salt and vinegar Pringles to put away for Christmas, and then 2 boxes of the jumbo battered fish fillets, and that's what the mushy peas is for. Some lamb oxo cubes and some beef stock cubes, some garlic, some leeks, 3 packs of salted butter, slightly salted butter, 4 pints of semi-skimmed milk, and then finally some British diced beef. So I've got 2 of those, and also I've got some chicken thighs. Let me just turn that the right way for you. There we go. So I've got some chicken thighs there, and all of these are going to be used for nice stews and dumplings, because we are now very cold here in the UK. So yeah, nice comfort cozy foods. That's literally it, my lovelies. That's everything I got, ordered from the shop. It was just, you know when you need one of those, I need a few things, it's too cold to go out, I don't want to go out, just for convenience as well. And it didn't cost any more than it would have done had I got it from Morrison's, and no delivery because we've got Amazon Prime, so we don't have to pay for delivery for it. So yeah, so I just share that with you. So if you do like shopping hauls, then please subscribe to my channel. You will find plenty of them on my channel. And if you have enjoyed just watching this, and if you have enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up -aroo. And I will see you all in the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye for now. Bye.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers.